Hello everyone, today I'd like to introduce you this desilter. It's a third stage separation equipment in the drilling fluid solids control system. This desilter is mainly consists of 10 sets of 4-inch cyclo assemblies, tap inlet manifold, tap outlet manifold, and bracket assembly. The draining fluid first passes through the sand pipe and is pumped from the mud inlet into the cyclo. Due to the pipe pressure, the mud rotates at high speed in the cyclo. By centrifugal force, the liquid and solid in the draining fluid are stratified. Subsequently, the solid particles are separated from the cyclo. The bottom of the cyclo is discharged, and the liquid phase overflows from the upper part of the cyclo. The overflow mud returns to the circulation system, and the underflow solids enter the centrifugal liquid supply bin and wait for further processing by the centrifuge. Our draining fluid desilter can remove harmful solids phase above 15 microns, improve drilling fluid performance, and increase drilling efficiency. The cyclo of this desilter is made of PU material, which has high wear resistance and long survival life. We can manufacture the desilters with different processing capacity according to your requirements. The quantity of the cyclos used in our available desilters are 20, 16, and 12. You also can choose the desilters with 10. Okay, that's all for today. For more questions and details, feel free to contact us via